Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So I assume that your keyboard is working correctly. If not, then simply right click here on with start icon, then click on settings, then just go to Bluetooth and devices, just scroll down. We need to go to the accessibility, scroll down, you will get keyboard section here in the interaction, and we need to turn on this option, on screen keyboard. So you will get on screen keyboard. You can use this keyboard to type. So we need to go to search bar, type your device manager, then click here to open it. Now we need to expand keyboards. Right click on the keyboard device, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Select the first option and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now if this not work, you can choose this option, browse my computer for drivers. Select, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the standard model, click on next, and there we go. Now close this window. To fix this issue, we need to restart our system. So say S, and that's it guys, your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.